Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to chrome extensions that you need as a video creator. So I'm going to show you extensions that will help you, chrome extensions that will help you in order to see the analytics, to help you to analyze most of the things that you need to know about a video. I don't know if you understand that. So if you want to analyze a channel, you can equally analyze a channel, and you can equally so you'll be able to know what is working for a particular channel, and so you'll be able to implement or improve on that things that has been working for a channel in your own channel as a video creator. So I'm going to show you most of the extensions that you really need as a video creator. So the one of like for instance, let me just show you a quick overview of what I'm going to show you in this video. Now if you go to this video here, like I just opened a video here, and with the help of some extensions on my channel, I can be able to see most of the things that this channel is getting. For instance, what do I mean? Just like this extension here, which is called Social Blend, I'm going to show you how you can install it or have it as a video creator in the next slide. So let me just show you what you're going to be able to do with these extensions. For instance, we have Social Blend here, and with Social Blend, this Social Blend is trying to let me understand that this particular video is giving me analytics of metrics of what this video is making, and most of the things you can see on the screen here. So for this video, is telling me that this video is ranking, this is what the video is ranking, and this channel already through this video is making about $50 to $807, as you can see just from this video in particular. Now and it has 1,000 subs in the channel itself has 1,000 subs in the last 30 days. Now this video has gathered this amount of views, as you can see here. So it has daily subscribers of 34, and if you go down, you see that these are the tags that this video is ranking for. So you'll be able to see most of the things that people are doing on their channels, and so you'll be able to copy that and improve on it. So for instance, this channel Social Blend has been able to show me the tags that this video is ranking for. Like this video is ranking for these tabs, the BB Press and the rest of them, because I searched for this video in particular. I saw the video and I clicked on it. So if you go on to check the tags, you'll be able to see that the tags all are built around this particular keyword we have here, which is BB Press, WordPress tutorial. So if you check the tags here, we have BB Press Codex, and the rest of them. So this is to show you what these people are doing, or what your fellow YouTubers or video creators are doing on their channels, to see that their video ranks on YouTube. So for instance, if we go down now, you'll be able to see also another tool that you'll be able to show me some things. So if I go down, let me scroll down a bit, and you'll be able to see most of the things I'm talking about here. Now look at the thumbnail. Now, there is a video an extension that is showing me this thumbnail here that is this video is using, which is vidIQ. As you can see, it's showing me this is the thumbnail that this video is using. So I can be able to check out why this thumbnail is okay, and maybe I can create a similar thumbnail for maybe my video, depending on your niche. I don't know if you understand that, depending on your niche. So if I should scroll down the more, you see that vidIQ is another extension that is showing me where this video is ranking. That is ranking, as you can see, vidIQ SEO score is showing me that this video is ranking almost 100%, which means it's ranking on YouTube. It's ranking on the first page of YouTube. If I should keep search for that keyword on YouTube, you'll be able to see that this video is ranking on first page there. Now if you still scroll down, you'll be able to see that now I've mentioned about two extensions here, which is vidIQ and Social Blend. So if we still scroll down, vidIQ is showing us the video tags, just as Social Blend showed us also. Look, and the same thing that Social Blend showed us is showing us the tags that this video is ranking for, or that this video or the person that has this channel is inputting into the person inputted into this video. So to see that this video gather audience from anybody searching for these particular tags on YouTube. So if we still scroll down, you see these are channel tags. Now if you watch my customization video where I show you how you can be able to customize your YouTube channel, you'll be able to see that I explained these channel tags. So this channel tag means it means possible topic or possible keywords that a channel can rank for. Yes, just like particular keywords that a channel can rank for. Like this channel here is WP Learning Lab, and these are the channel tags that it has. So if you watch my video on customization, YouTube customization, I was able to explain these tags, so you'll be able to understand it as a channel or as a content creator. So you'll be able to know, or tell YouTube, these are the areas I'm likely to make videos on. So if you go to this channel, you discover this channel makes videos only something that is particular to this area, to this, as you can see, this WordPress, WooCommerce, and the rest of them here. So that's the importance of a niche. So it will be able to tell YouTube, okay, these are the areas I make videos on. Just concentrate and show my videos to people that like, or that are like-minded to these keywords or to these topics. So this another thing you have to, there's an extension that showed us this, which is Video IQ. So if I should scroll down, you'll be able to see more things. So I'm going to show you these extensions and more in this video. So what you have to do is just follow me as I show you step by step now how you can be able to install these extensions on your own PC, and as well as even on your mobile phone. So whatever I'm going to show you here in this video, you'll be able to also do that with your mobile phone. So let's go ahead and see how to install this. And so for us to be able to install these extensions here, so you go over to Chrome and search for, go over to Chrome browser or any browser of your choice. I'm using Chrome in my own case. You can use Brave or any other browser at all. So now when you go to that browser, you just search for Chrome extension store. Now you can use sorry to say, you can use only Chrome, Brave, and Firefox, to be able to get access to this extension store, which is Chrome extension store. So you have to use these three extensions I've mentioned, which is Chrome, Brave, or even Firefox. So now going down to this, just search for Chrome extension store, and once you're here, click on this Chrome web store. And once you click on this Chrome web store, you'll be able to go into Chrome and be able to get the extensions that I've mentioned already. So now these extensions will be able to help you, like I said earlier on, to be able to get metrics of what other channels are doing, or even you'll be able to see most of the things that you need to do for your channel, so you'll be able to rank on YouTube as a content creator. Now once it loads up, you'll be able to have you're going to have a dashboard like this. Now just go over to this search area and click on the search the store button here, and then we'll go ahead and search for the first extension, which is Social Blade. I'm going to show you how you'll be able to install this. Now just search for Social Blade and click on that Social Blade. So once this thing comes up here, you just need to add. Now look at the extension I'm talking about here. Now also this extension is one of the best extensions you need. I'll be making full videos showing you how to use these extensions. Like I said earlier on, I will show you how to use Social Blade to be able to get more metrics about any YouTube channel, and you'll be able to see how much money a YouTube channel is making, so that you don't feel like, let's say you want to start a niche, or you want to engage, or you want to start a YouTube channel newly, and you feel like, okay, will this niche work, and maybe, or will I make money from this niche? So this is one of the tools or extensions that will help you to know okay, this is something that is working for other people. Like if you use this extension and search for, if you go to this website now, the website that has this extension, and input a YouTube channel there, it will be able to show you how much the channel is ranking on YouTube or across the internet, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, and the rest of them. Show you anything about the channel you want to look into. I don't know if you can understand that. Now as you can see, I already have this this extension installed on my Chrome browser. So that is why I'm seeing remove from Chrome. If in your own case you're supposed to see add to Chrome and not remove from Chrome, so because I already have it on here, that is why I'm seeing remove from Chrome. So I don't know if you get that. So this is how you can be able to add this. Just add it and automatically it will start working for your channel. So another extension we are going to look at is, already I've shown you how to register for vidIQ, but you can equally come here and search for vidIQ. Now this vidIQ extension is an extension that will help you to be able to get most visions about a YouTube channel and most things you need to know about a video. Now it can equally give you video topics. If you've not watched my video on how you can be able to find video topics that are liable to trend on YouTube, just go to my channel, make a search on that topic, and you'll be able to see how you can get videos that are, or video topics that are most likely to rank on YouTube. So now here is vidIQ Vision for YouTube. So click on it. So once we click on it, let me go ahead and click on it here. So once you click on it, you equally have to add to Chrome and not remove from Chrome. I already have it on my Chrome browser, like I said earlier on. That is why I'm seeing remove from Chrome. So this is another extension that can help you in order to see that you do most things on your YouTube channel. So another extension I'm going to show you is an extension known as Ubersuggest. Yes, Ubersuggest is an extension. Now, not just an extension. Ubersuggest is a keyword tool. So let me just show you this Ubersuggest. So it's an extension that can equally help you to let me go ahead and search for that. Alright, so this is the extension I'm talking about here now. Ubersuggest SEO and keyword discovery. So like I said earlier on, it's mostly for keywords. So this extension will help you to give you more insight about a particular keyword. So if you just get a keyword and you want to know the breakdown of that keyword, just make sure you install this extension on your browser. So install this. I have it on my Chrome browser here. So these things is what I use in order to see that I optimize my videos, and as well as the keywords that I want to rank for on YouTube. So these the keywords or the things that I use to do most of this. That is why I'm showing you literally what I do, and not like telling you something else and I'll be doing something else. So this is how you can be able to install these extensions, and these extensions will help you in order to see that you create your videos, and because it will give you insight. Just like if you go over to your YouTube channel and you want to see what your competitors are doing, like you want to see what other channels are doing, these are extensions you can use to see what they are doing and how you can improve on those things that they are doing, so that you make your own unique and you stand out of the crowd. So these are the extensions that can help you to do most of these things. So now if we go ahead, we can equally search for another extensions, but this particular one I'm going to show you is it's an extension that will help you in order to see that you minimize let me just cue in the extension I'm talking about here. So the extension is called picture in picture out. So let me show you picture in picture. That's the name of the extension. Now this extension, what it does is that it helps you to be able to minimize. If I click on it and open it, it will help you to minimize it will help you to minimize the vision of or the picture of a channel. Like let's say you are working on something and you want to be able to see, or you want to minimize the video you're watching on YouTube, as well as continue to do other things you want to do. So this is the extension that can help you to be able to do that. You just have to click on this add to Chrome, and once you click on add to Chrome, it will be added to Chrome, and you start making use of this extension. So also I already have this extension. I don't know why it's showing add to Chrome here. So I already have it on my channel here on my Chrome browser. So this is another extension that can help you in order to see. And another extension I'm going to recommend for you is an extension called Nimbus. Now Nimbus is an extension that can help you do a lot. Like it can help you to take screenshots even right from a video. Let's say you're watching a YouTube video and you want to take a screenshot of a particular area, so you can just use this Nimbus extension to be able to take screenshots. For instance, it says Nimbus screenshot. Just make sure you are seeing these names here and take note of the names. Now as you can see, it says remove from home. That's to show you I already have it on my Chrome browser. So you just use it has many functions that you can do with this Nimbus. You can screenshot a particular area of a video. You can screenshot a particular, even not just videos, even on a website you can just screenshot a particular area. You can screenshot an entire page. You can you can equally record with this extension. So there are many things you can do with this particular extension here. So now these are the extensions that can help you to see that you create or your YouTube channel and be able to see things that other channels are doing and equally improve on them. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to be able to in the next video I'm going to show you the tools, how you can be able to. First I will show you how to be able to create videos without showing your face. Now I'm going to show you how you can be able to do that, even if you're in any niche you choose. Like I'm going to touch many niches to be able to show you how you can do this, or in one particular niche to the other.